Welcome back, guys. This is another easy questions, easy model questions all are. So you can see these are very easy. This shift, this is the second shift in 22nd January. Collected 16 questions. So the 16 questions are very easy questions. I'll try to explain them. If you see this, thin biconvex lens is divided into 4 equal parts. So you know when the convex lens is divided into means cut perpendicular to its base principal axis, or the cut happen parallel to principal axis. If perpendicular to principal axis, so this is the part. Sorry. So if perpendicular to principal axis, now like this, the lens will come, means plano convex. So from the lens maker's formula, focal length of the lens is equal to n minus 1 into 2 by r. This is biconvex lens only. R1 is positive, means R2 is negative. Therefore 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. R2 is negative, 2 by R. This is the direct formula I am taking. So now after cutting perpendicular to principal axis, what happened? R2 become infinity. Therefore 1 by f dash is equal to, now new focal length is equal to the refractive index, relative refractive index of the lens. N is here, relative refractive index is 1 by R will become. So that is equal to n minus 1 by R is equal to 1 by 2f I can write. Therefore f dash become 2f. F dash become 2f. If we cut like this parallel to principal axis, the R is not changing. Therefore f dash is equal to f. F will not change. F dash equal to f. And based on this concept, if you cut into fourth part, so the fourth part will become like this. So its focal length is equal to 2f only. So from the given question, the power, initial power is equal to, the original power is equal to 4D is given. Original power is equal to 4D. That is equal to 1 by f. So now I want to find out the power of this one. The power P dash is equal to 1 by f dash. So that equal to 1 by 2 into f. That equal to 4D by 2. So that equal to 2D. So this is a easy question. Directly you can do. So next, whereas coming into second question. So accession regions. So simple pendulum. The time period of simple pendulum, you people know time period is equal to 2 pi root over L by G. 2 pi root over L by G. So the taken to the planet of mass 4 times of the Earth and radius is 2 times of the Earth. So that means the G on the planet is equal to capital G into mass is equal to 4 times 4 into ME by the radius is equal to 2 times of the Earth, that equal to distance here, means mass is given So now G value is equal to 4 me by r square, the radius means here gm by r square, r is the radius of earth, that equal to here 2 times is given, 4 into r square of the earth will come. So 4 will get cancelled. Therefore, which is equal to GE. Therefore, time period remains constant because G is not changing, length will not change anyway. Therefore, time period is equal to remains same. So assertion is correct. Whereas the reason, the time period of the simple pendulum is constant on Earth and any other planet. So this reason is wrong. Here it is constant because of mass and radius are double. Mass is 4 times, so radius is double, so cancel here. 4 cancel. If any other factors here 4 times not and 2 times, this is any other factor, the values are changes means it is not constant. It will be changed on another planet. Therefore, the reason is wrong. Okay. Therefore, A is true, B is false, R is false. So option A is correct. Here also 2D option A is correct. Now coming into find the B net at point P. So these are infinite conductors. That is not given here, but we have to take infinite conductor. And P from B conductor is 4 amperes current is flowing through opposite direction, 8 amperes above direction. From the right hand rule, right hand thumb rule, not simply right hand rule. So at P D2 8 amperes inside, field is in the B D2 8 amperes inside, D2 8 amperes. The field D2 4 amperes is outside, D2 4 amperes is outside according to right hand rule. So thumb along the direction and nails shows the inside and palm shows the outside. So from that it will be inside and outside. And here the B value will take as the B is equal to magnetic field B is equal to for infinite rod B, actually B is equal to for finite rod according to Biot-Savart's law, mu naught by 4 pi d into sine of alpha plus sine beta. So this is the formula for finite length and alpha and beta for a straight conductor which is carrying the current I, mu naught I by 4 pi d into sine alpha and sine beta. So this will be mu naught I by 4 pi d. If rod is infinite length, alpha and beta will become 90s, therefore 2 will become. That equal to B is equal to the magnetic field B is equal to, answer is the B d to a infinite rod is equal to mu naught, B is equal to mu naught I by 2 pi d. So this is answer. Mu naught I by 4 pi d, mu naught by 4 pi into B proportional to I, B proportional to D, B naught I by 4 pi d. But infinite rod means this will be 2 pi d. So now substitute here, the B in is equal to B inside, B outside means opposite, that equal to mu naught by 2 pi is common, 2 pi and common. So I is equal to 8 amperes. For 8 amperes, D is equal to 10 centimeters, 8 by 10. So B out is equal to mu naught by 2 pi into 4, 4I by 4 cent, 1. This is mu naught by 2 pi is equal to B out. 4 get cancelled. And you can write here mu naught is equal to 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 also. 4 pi into minus 7. So now is asking the find the B net at point B. B net means here B in minus B naught or something. B naught minus B. So now B net, which is more means this is 0.1, this is 0.8 of B. B in is less because more distance, right? More, not only more distance, current more and the distance is more. From the value it is 0.8 into mu naught by 2 pi. right? But it is 1 into mu naught by 2 pi. Therefore, this is more, this is less. Therefore, B out minus B in yield. B out minus B in. So that equal to mu naught by 2 pi into 0.2 will come. So mu naught is equal to, I can write 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. Therefore, 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into 0.2 by 2 pi. Pi get cancelled. 2's. That equal to 0.4 into 10 power minus 7. So the 0.4 is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 8. Therefore, 4 into 10 power minus 8 Teslas. The B measured in Tesla. 1 Tesla is equal to 10 power minus 4 or 10 power 4 gases. Gas is the CGS unit. Tesla is SI unit. And B can be measured in Weber by meter square also. Weber by meter square is Tesla, right? And Weber is the CGS unit there. So now 4 into 10 power minus 8. 8 not a 6. So this answer is A only correct. So centimeters anyhow get cancelled, right? No. So okay, we'll see that. Centimeters is given here length. So into 10 power minus 2 will be there. So it will go up 10 power 2. Teslas means SI unit. So centimeter you have to convert into meters, I think so. So into 10 power 2 will come. So here centimeter into 10 power 2. So then answer C is correct. So that equal to 4 into 10 power minus 6 Teslas. So this is according to Bayes-Sauer's law, the field at any point from the conductor is B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi d sin alpha plus sin beta. So alpha beta values depends on the point we will substitute. So here centimeters is given, convert into meters. 6 centimeters, 4 centimeters. So then answer C will come. So like these problems only will confuse. We will go with A answer means immediately answer is coming 4 into 10 power minus 8 Tesla. So we will go with answer A means wrong. So simple question only, basic question, but conversion of centimeters into meters, I will calculating very thorough, right? Now correct dimensional formula for capacitance means C is equal to Q by V. Q is equal to CV or C is equal to Q is equal to CV, C is equal to Q by V. Q is equal to charge, V is equal to potential. We know potential is equal to work done by charge, right? Potential. So that equal to we substitute means then C is equal to will come Q square by work done, right? Q square by work done. So I know the dimensional formula of work done. So I can write Coulomb square by work done formula M L T M L square T power minus 2. This all will come up minus. So M minus 1 L power minus 2 T power 2. So this is C square. So answer B correct. So very basic concept. Very basic concept they are asking. So now like this any formula if you know means you can substitute and you can find out. And unknown quantity, the potential dimension formula you don't know. So convert into work done by charge. So it will be easy. Similarly, the maximum percentage of error in measurement of density of the wire. So density formula what? Mass by volume. So but here volume is not given, they have given mass, radius and length is given. So convert the volume into mass into volume is equal to area into length, that equal to mass by pi, pi is constant, pi r square now, therefore r power minus 2 into L power minus 1. So now percentage change, therefore the percentage change in the density d rho is equal to dm by m minus 2 dr by r minus dl by l. So substituting values, you will get answer. So dm by m. So here dm into 100. Percentage anyhow is asking into 100 for easy calculation. So that is equal to, see, here dm means 0.003 by 0.6 into 100. So dm is equal to, this is dm, m plus dm plus r minus. Here r plus dr. So here this is dr, l plus dl. So now dm equal 0.03 into 100 means 0.3. Into 100 means this is 0.3 by 0.6 means 1 by 2, 0.5. Minus 2 into, so here 0.1 into 100. 0.1 into 100 means 1 by 0.5, that equal to 2. 2 to the 4. So now minus L again into means here dl is equal to 0.05 into 100, therefore 5. 5 by 10, 1 by 2. So this is 0.5. So here m into r minus 2r l power, okay, l power minus 1. So now l, right. So this is 4% is coming, but 4% is not given. So this is dm into 100 means 0.3 by 1 by 2, 0.5, correct. So this is also dm 5 by 10. 5 by 10, this is 4. Volume is equal to pi r square into l. L power minus 1, that is dl by l. Plus dl by l will not come, minus dl by l. Therefore, this is consumed is 4% has to come here, I think so. The 4% will be the answer. Answer is not 5%. Right. Next, coming into next question. I don't want to waste time. So very easy, torque. So you know, tau is equal to r bar cross a bar. So that equal to I, J, K, r bar 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now if you do cross multiplication, means determinant of this vector magnitude is equal to tau will come. And he is asking magnitude of tau. So now 1 2 2 minus 1, that equal to 1 I cap minus j into second component is minus 1 2 2 minus 2, so 0, plus k into 1 minus 2, that equal to minus 1. So answer is root 2. So D answer is correct. So now if we coming into, so from the given question only, means here find the VB and EB and VB. So VB and EB. So EB means electric field, VB means potential. The P is the dipole momentum of electron. So dipole momentum direction is given. It is along the, and A is axial line, right? The A is an axial line. Therefore, electric field is equal to some K mu naught by, means 1 by 4 pi epsilon into K 2P bar by R cube on E at A axial line, E on axial line. So along the same direction, E is also. So now E and B, electric field and B is equal to K into P bar by D cube. So here R is equal to 2R, that equal to 8R cube. So now 2P by R cube is equal to EA is given E naught. That is Kp by R cube equal to E naught by 2. Kp by R cube is equal to E naught by 2 here. Kp by R cube. Kp bar by R cube is equal to E naught by 2. Because EA is equal to, they have given E naught in the question. So now Kp by R cube is equal to E naught by 2, that equal to E naught by 16 at B. And on equatorial line, potential is 0. At B, potential is 0. Therefore, 16 and 0. So answer is A correct. Now find the V from the diagram this is. So actually these are very easy questions. So only I am completing here itself. Direct to formulas. So coming into here, this is the fluid is flowing like this, consider. And a fluid. Radius is R and 2R. According to equation of continuity, A1 V1 equal to A2 V2 I can go. So he's asking, here V is asking to find out, and here V1 is given 2. Therefore, 4 pi R square into 2 is equal to pi R square into V. So pi R square get cancelled. V is equal to 8 meter second inverse. So that is the question. So now, ninth question. A ball of mass 100 gas thrown at the speed 20 meter second with horizontal with angle of 60 with horizontal. Find the decrease in kinetic energy from the point of throwing up the ball to the maximum height. That means we have to find out the kinetic energy, initial kinetic energy and kinetic energy at maximum height. So kinetic energy is maximum height and subtracting you will get the value. So kinetic energy at the maximum height means of m into Vx square, that equal to, means u is equal to given 20. U is equal to 20 meter second inverse is given. 20 into cos 60, that equal to 1 by 2 whole square. So that equal to mass is equal to 100 grams is given. Therefore 0.1 kg, because answer is given in joules. So convert into kg, and here velocity is meter second inverse. So 100 grams convert into kg. Therefore 1 by 20 or 0.1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 0.1 kg into, so this is 10 square 100. So now here it will come 5 joules. And initial energy, initial kinetic energy. So initial kinetic energy equal to 1 by 2 into 0.1 mass into initial energy 400. 20 square means 400. So this will be, so 20 joules. So now change in kinetic energy. If they are asking find the decrease in kinetic energy from, means initially it is 20 joules is there. After reaching the maximum height, the kinetic energy decreases to 5 joules. Therefore, the decrease in kinetic energy is equal to 20 minus 5. So that equal to 15 joules of energy. So this is change in kinetic energy of m v1 square minus of m v2 square. So that is change in kinetic energy. And here for diatomic gas, that means f by 2 plus 1 into r is the Cp value. Means okay. This is freedom, number of freedoms here. F by 2 plus 1 into r is Cp, and Cv is equal to F by 2 into R. So number of freedoms will substitute. Then Cp is equal to, for diatomic gas, 7R by 2. For diatomic gas, number of freedoms are 5, that is 5R by 2. So we know already Cp is greater than Cv. It is very always. Cp is greater than Cv. So now if you see, y1 is equal to, is given Cp by Cv. So denominator is less means, and here y2 will be Cp by Cv, and this is rigid molecule. For rigid, here difference is, and here another diatomic molecules have vibrational modes, means you have to add one more here. So then this is, here 6 will come, means number of freedoms are 6 will come. Rigid molecules means this is 5 number of freedoms. For rigid molecules, number of freedoms are 5 for diatomic gas. For vibrational mode is added means 6 number of freedoms will come. So number of freedoms are 6. Therefore Cp is equal to 6 by 2, 3 plus 1, 4R. And Cv is equal to 6 by 2, only 3R. So now here Cp by Cv, y2 is equal to, will come 4 by, means 4 by 3. And y1, here y1 is equal to, in that case, so y1 is equal to 7 by 5. y1 is equal to 7 by 5. So this is 1.4, this is 1.33, therefore y1 greater than y2. So answer A. So here y2 less than y1 is given. y1 greater than y2. So this is answer correct. Now find the EMF. Here graph is given. So infield is given here. And the question infield is given. And there is a square loop placed here like this, square loop, which is length L and carrying the current. Square loop is carrying the current, means it will induce the current. When it is changing, it is moving, the current is induced. So it is moving with constant velocity. So when it is moving, area is changing. So the induced EMF will be constant, EMF will be induced. That equal to induced EMF formula, E is equal to BLV. The induced EMF is equal to BLV. Because it is why BLV means here, actually induced EMF is equal to, means EMF is equal to, according to Faraday law, d phi by dt. So phi is equal to here magnetic flux, that equal to BA. So A into d phi by dt we can write in some cases, but here A is changing. Where B is changing, that is equal to, the EMF is equal to B in, means A into dB by dt. So that this is minus indicates. So magnetic field, Faraday's EMF, induced EMF, but it is motional EMF, BLV, because of area changing. And here area V is constant, means area is also changes constantly. So therefore the E is constant here. So here graphs we have to take, this graph is correct, answer A is correct. So Young double slit experiment. Actually I don't have that wave optics idea. So coming into force to position vector is given. So work done. See, this is dead easy question. The work done is equal to 0 when force and position vectors are perpendicular. So now F dot R bar is equal to 0. Perpendicular. Perpendicular means dot product of two vectors is 0. So that equal to 2 into 1 minus 2 into B plus 2 into 1. So that is equal to 0. So that implies 2B is equal to 4. Then B is equal to 2. I have Very easy. That easy question now this is. So now see electron moving in a circular orbit. So electron moving in a magnetic field in a circular orbit. So this is the orbit of electron moving either clockwise or anti-clockwise, depends on field. So assuming the Bohr's quantization to be valid, the radius of the orbit in the first excited state. So actually this is belongs to atoms, I think so. But actually R is equal to in magnetic field QB by 2m. Yeah, mv square by qb by mv by qb. 1 minute, I am coming. mv square by r is equal to, it is moving in circular path, mv square by r is equal to qvb. Yeah, qv by vv get cancelled. Then r equal to mv by qb. The r is equal to mv by qb. So r is equal to mv by qb. So here this is not in the form. And here assume the Bohr's quantization is valid. Bohr, according to Bohr quantization, angular momentum is equal to nh by 2 pi. So angular momentum is equal to mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. So now either r or mv we can find out. mv is equal to, is asking to find out radius only, na? So and here nh by 2 pi is not given. So what we will go with? mv I will substitute here in this case, mv. mv is equal to nh by 2 pi r. Therefore, r square is equal to n into h by, and the radius of orbit per first excited state. So that will be first excited state means n is equal to, here n is quantum number, that is orbital number. First excited state means n is equal to 1 only substitute. nh by r square is equal to nh by 2 pi qb. 2 pi into qb. nh by 2 pi into qb, right? mv is equal to nh by 2 pi substitute into qb, and this r will go this side, 2 by r square will come. That equal to, that implies r is equal to root over h by 2 pi into qb. So h by 2 pi into qb. So option is h by 2 pi into qb. Q means here electron. Therefore answer B. First excited state. Radius of the orbit in first excited state. So n value quantum number for first orbit is, an electron moving in a magnetic field, assume the Bohr quantization to be valid. So B only correct, I think so, not C. The n value is, what is nh by 2 pi. L is angular momentum is equal to nh by 2 pi. And here angular momentum is equal to mvr. mvr by 2, na? Angular momentum is equal to first orbit. So radius is r. So I omega. So it is moving in, okay, I omega is not taken here. R omega square not possible. So mvr only correct. It will not be mvr by 2. So that is equal, B option is correct. So now, so LR circuit we will see later. Now 16th question. So coming into here, so let it will be in the x distance dx element is considered, and mass is equal to given. The force is acting in the direction is given in question. So due to this rotation of this cylinder, which is having the fluid of 2m mass, centripetal force is acting opposite direction, mx omega square means dm into the mass of this element into x square, which is equal to 4. Force applying on this. So here force is acting in the direction in the diagram given. So therefore here dm is equal to mass per unit length, lambda into dx actually, lambda into dx. So that equal to unit length, lambda is mass per unit length, that equal to 2m by L. L is the length of the cylinder is given. So L is the length of the cylinder. So now into dx. So this is dm. So now force is equal to, is asking to find out the angular speed. Omega I want to find out. Therefore F equal to dm into x omega square. Therefore 2m by L into x omega square into dx. So this is d2 small element, therefore df I will take. So integral df from 0 to f is equal to 2m by L omega square integral x dx from 0 to L. So therefore this is df. Then f is equal to 2m omega square by L into L square by 2. So L get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. Then ml is there here. Therefore omega square is equal to f by ml. Then omega is equal root over f by ml. So capital M into L. So f by this is m into L. M into L. So f by root 2 ml. Root 2 f by ml. So answer is f by ml. So answer A is correct. So now your circuit is not there. So all are conceptual questions only, easy questions. By seeing that you can tell easily. And some questions maybe my answer may be wrong, or once you go through that's why the key also what they have given, key also I have given here, and my explanation is given. So here I am confusing in 14th question. You can check, right? Thank you all.